everyone. This is Shobna Sharma, Faculty of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Now we are continuing with the previous topic only, that is input and output devices. Children, today I am showing you the book which we have to study the whole year. This is the cover page of our Computer Masti book. Earlier we have discussed some examples of input devices. Now we are discussing some examples of output devices. The first comes the monitor. We all know what is a monitor. A monitor is used to watch movies, to watch pictures, any images, and many other things. Next comes the printer. Whenever we want any hard copy, at that time we use a printer. A printer is used to take the printout. Next comes the speakers. Speakers are used to listen whatever is played on the monitor screen, like any music, videos, or many other things. Next comes what is a processing device. CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, is neither an input nor an output device. It is called the processing device. It takes the information given by the input devices, does the work and send the result to the output devices. Thus, this is called the processed data in the form of output. That's why the name comes as Central Processing Unit. In short, we can say that processing, if we take input with the help of input devices, then certain processing is done with the help of processing device, and then we are getting the desired result with the help of output devices. That's why the name comes Central Processing Unit. Next comes what is an IPO cycle. IPO means I stands for input, P stands for processing, O stands for output. It means that we will input data with the help of input devices, then process the data in processing device, and then get the desired result in the output devices. It means that input is taken with the help of input devices, then certain processing is done with the help of processing device, and then we are getting the desired result with the help of output devices. Now let's discuss some exercises based on the chapter. Do it in your any subject rough notebook. Name any two input devices. You must knowing the answer. Second comes, name any two output devices. Write any two output devices. Third comes, a monitor is an dash device. I knew you all must be knowing the answer. Fourth, scanner is an dash device. Fifth, a computer uses an input device to show the desired dash. I know you must be knowing the answer. Sixth, we use dash devices to tell the computer what to do. Now let's discuss some activity based on the chapter. You have to do this in your rough notebook. Draw an IPO cycle with the help of any input device, then process it with the help of processing device, and then get the desired result with the help of output devices. Children, you have to draw a neat and a clear diagram of an IPO cycle in which you take any of the input device, then process it with the help of processing device, and then you will get the desired result with the help of output devices. Thank you.